Hi, today I want to talk to you about the credit counseling certificate and data educational certificate. These are the certificates you need to file with the court when you file bankruptcy. And there are often questions about it from clients. They don't know what kind of course it is, where they can do it, and how to do it. So whenever you file a bankruptcy, you have to do one certificate before filing and one certificate after filing. The certificate before filing, that is normally called credit counseling certificate. The certificate after filing has many different names. Sometimes people call it pre-discharge certificate or financial management certificate or data educational certificate. The first certificate needs to be filed before filing. You cannot file a bankruptcy if you don't file the certificate with filing of your petition. If you file a bankruptcy and don't have the certificate, the case will be dismissed. The same with the second certificate. If you don't file the second certificate, your case will be closed but without a discharge. So in order to get a discharge in your case, you do want to file the second certificate. And I hear every so often that the second certificate needs to be filed in a Chapter 7 within 45 days after the creditors meeting. That is a deadline when it has to be filed. But the second certificate can be filed right after the filing of the petition. So you don't have to wait until the creditors meeting to file the second certificate. And what are the costs for these certificates? A few years ago it was pretty expensive. There are many different agencies you can use, but you cannot use any agency. The agency you are using needs to be admitted to the district you are filing the bankruptcy court in. So, and your attorney knows best if an agency is admitted. So you want to contact your bankruptcy attorney, and normally the bankruptcy attorneys will give you a list of agencies you can use. But they are pretty cheap. I get these postcards every day, and that is one of the cheapest ones. I will put a list of credit counseling agencies at the end of that video. That is one for Academy of Financial Literacy, and they charge only $11 for the first and second certificate, so each one is $11. And they're that cheap because you can do it online. So if you have an online connection, then do it online. You don't have to talk to anybody, and whatever you talk to these agencies has no effect on the bankruptcy filing. So the only thing your bankruptcy attorney needs is a certificate. Whatever you talk to them has no influence of the bankruptcy. So there are different agencies. They have different prices, but they go as low as $11, $20, $15, something in that price range. If you have any questions about it, and if you live in the St. Louis area, call us. We have offices in the Metro East, St. Charles, St. Louis, Florissant. Our number is 636-916-5400, and I'm happy to answer any questions about bankruptcy, or if you have questions about the credit counseling certificates, email us or call. Thanks.